एवरीवन। आज हम लोग क्लॉजेस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। दो क्लॉजेस के बारे में हम लोग पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, दैट व्हाट इज क्लॉज, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स आर देयर, दैट डिपेंडेंट इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस वी हैव डिस्कस। आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ क्लॉजेस। फाइन, तो पहले हम थोड़ा सा ब्रीफिंग दे देते हैं क्लॉजेस के बारे में। इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड, वी पीपल हैव डन इट अर्लियर आल्सो। फाइन, इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड हैविंग सब्जेक्ट वर्ब कॉम्बिनेशन प्लस इन दिस वन व्हाट इज देयर, इट शुड हैव a complete meaning. फाइन, तो जो क्लॉजेस को हम लोगों ने डिवाइड किया था टू पार्ट्स में, एज आई रिटन दिस अर्लियर, इट वाज इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस एंड डिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस। अब इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस, एज आई टोल्ड यू, इट इज अ complete, it is having the complete meaning, having the subject verb combination, group of word is there. So we are not going to touch this portion, we are going to touch this subordinate clause. This one is known as independent clause or main clause. This one, dependent clause, it is also known as subordinate clause. Fine, so because it is going to start with either coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, or relative pronoun. We have discussed this thing earlier. Fine, so now what is dependent clause? Dependent clause, it means it needs independent clause, to be very frank. Fine, it needs independent clause to convey this meaning. Now they are divided into three parts: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Now in this video we are going to discuss what is adjective clause with examples. Now our second clause is adjective clause. In adjective clause, what we are going to discuss, firstly we'll discuss what is adjective. Fine, so if I am going to discuss about adjective, it is always telling the quality of a noun. So it means a noun से related है. This is the first thing. And because it is a clause, so it means we'll have to discuss the rules, what it is, that it should be a group of words must be there, subject verb combination must be there. And now the third thing, because it is an adjective, so it means it should act as an adjective. And if it is acting as an adjective, so it means noun must be there. So fine, so let's see what are the rules. The first thing, group of words are there. Fine. Another thing, subject verb combination, and from the beginning I am telling you that subject verb combination must be there. So the second condition. Third thing, because we are talking about an adjective, so it means it should act like an adjective. Fine, so it is act as an adjective. And fourth rule, because it is an adjective, so it must be describing a noun. So here it is, it describes noun. So four conditions are there. Let's see what are the examples. This is the safe where she keeps the ornament. Now this is the safe, it is independent clause, everybody knows this thing. We are going to discuss about the subordinate clause or the dependent clause, because all the noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause, all these things are coming in this one. So now we are going to start with this, where she keeps the ornament. She, subject verb combination is there, verb is there. Fine, group of word is there, two conditions are going to fulfill. Now third thing, it is working as an adjective. किस चीज के लिए? This is noun, so it is describing this noun, that's why this is known as adjective clause. I hope that you people understood. Repeating, this is the safe. In this one, what is there? This portion is known as adjective, this portion is known as independent clause. Talking about the dependent, why it is so? Because as I told you, it is going to start with conjunction or relative pronoun. Fine, so where she keeps the ornament, we are going to discuss this portion. In this one, subject is there, she keeps, that is verb is there. So subject verb combination is there, group of word is there. Fine, it is working in an adjective, it is working as an adjective. किस चीज के लिए? Noun के लिए. So noun, this safe, talking about this safe, that's why this is known as adjective clause. Now discussing the second one. The villager and his wife had a hen which laid an egg every day. The villager and his wife had a hen. Complete meaning, subject verb combination, everything is there. So independent clause. Talking about this one, which laid an egg every day. Which laid an egg every day. About किसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about hen. Hen is a noun. Fine. Now telling the characteristic or telling or describing this hen, what it is, which laid an egg every day. Subject verb combination there, and that's why, because it is describing this noun, this is known as adjective clause. I hope everybody understood this. Fine, if there is any problem you can ask. Now the third one which we are going to discuss, it is adverb clause. To more and more practice, I hope that you will be able to get the command on this. आपको आ जाएगा. Try to do this thing, and if there is any query, any problem, do ask or do write down any message. I'll try to sort it out.